Good morning guys, welcome to today's vlog. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's vlog I'm going to be taking you guys around with me. First off, I'm getting my hair done today. God, my edges are gone but I'm getting my hair done today. I'm getting a silk press for the first time, so I'm gonna record it. I hope they let me record it, but I'm gonna try and record it. And I'm also stepping out later to take some pictures. So this is how my hair is looking at the moment. I've just braided into 2 portions. Like, I don't really know how to braid, but yeah, I'm gonna get silk press and I can't wait to show you guys. So before I go, actually, I'm just gonna iron my clothes because I want to like dress up, get my makeup done, get everything ready before I step out, because I don't want to be late. But they said they'll charge me £15 for every 15 minutes I'm late. I need to charge them £15 too if they start late. Guys, let me stop rambling. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing my face, don't worry, don't go away, don't run away. I just look like this in the morning but I'm gonna glow up, okay? So stay for the glow up, all right? I'm just gonna say that. So make sure you subscribe if you're seeing me for the first time. Obviously not like this, but yeah, subscribe and share with your friends. Trying to get this channel to 1k subscribers, please, before my birthday. My birthday is December 23rd, so please get me to 1000 subscribers by then. So yeah, let me get ironing and just let me get ready. My room is a mess. Like, I need to like get a day to just clean this whole room again. Anyway, let me show you guys a time lapse of me getting ready, and I'll see you in my getting out vlog. I mean, like when I'm stepped out, all of that. Let's just do this. This is much better with good lighting, guys. Like, it's so gloomy today in London, so I had to turn on my ring light to, you know, give you guys some brightness. So let me get back to ironing because I'm running behind on my schedule. Let's do some ironing. Guys, this is my outfit of the day. This short is from Pretty Little Thing. It's creamish, whitish, and this bodysuit is from Zara. It was in my basic Zara haul. Zara, actually, not Sarah. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be wearing today, and I'm going to be matching it with these heels. I'm just gonna, you know, look cute. This is what we're wearing today. Which one should I wear it with? Obviously you guys can't even tell, but I'm thinking this or this, this or this. I'm not sure, but I might go with this, but I'm gonna take this just in case. Hi guys, so I am done having my shower. I have gotten ready. It's gotten so gloomy, so I'm still using my ring light. So I did a very natural makeup and I'm loving the way I look with this my natural hair, but I'm gonna get a silk press, so I'm ready. I just need to get a cardigan or a jacket and I'll be out of this house. I hope they let me film though, but yeah, if not, I'll probably just use my phone because it doesn't make it that obvious. So yeah, are you guys loving my look? I love it. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm running late. 2 minutes to go. Oh my god, that looks anyway. Guys, so I got here on time. I was literally like there at 11:58, but now they're asking me to wait outside. That should come get me, and I was in a hurry, thinking I'll be late, and they'll charge me £15, and now they are the one late. Oh, these people, these air people, yeah, man, they're so annoying. But anyway, Let me catch my breath. I'm at Elite Eye Lounge. Oh, I can't see. Not even see because I have to wait outside. So yeah, I'll show you guys how where I go. But yeah, guys, not only did I arrive on time, it's 12:30 now. So it's so late. So I'm done with my hair and I'm so excited. I was a bit, paranoid because I was running late, but I'm so excited and I'm actually running my hands through my hair and I can feel my scalp feel so good. Oh my god, I don't know why I've not been doing this. I'm never gonna come back here and do it again. It was just the fact that they made me wait. That was the only thing I didn't like. So yeah, I waited like for about 23 minutes outside, but because of COVID I had to wait outside. So yeah, I'm going to Central now to get some pictures because I cannot get some pictures without this hair. I'm gonna go eat and I'm gonna have a good time. So I'll see you guys later. I might end the vlog here, and if I don't, I'll just show you glimpses and pieces of me taking a picture. But yeah, bye guys, I'm gonna have fun now. I'm gonna enjoy. Ciao.